Join me as I explore OKWE in Asaba Delta State, guys. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. So it's still Moses here again. So this video has been requested by one of our subscribers for some time now, but due to some certain things we were unable to go and take this. But we have been talking about this particular location in Asaba. So but today we decided to go and explore more of this particular town still in Asaba. So OKWE is a nice place, and OKWE is one of the places in Asaba where you can still get affordable apartments. So OKWE has its own good and bad side currently, and in this video we're going to be explaining a lot some certain things about OKWE, what you need to know about OKWE, if it is advisable or if it is recommendable to move into OKWE as a newcomer or as an old person in Asaba. So you can locate OKWE if you are coming from Bridgehead. You can locate OKWE from Oko side. You can as well locate access OKWE from Oduke side. There are many areas which you can access OKWE from. So OKWE is they have their own, the way they do their own things there. Though OKWE is the kind of junior brother to Cable Point when it comes to ruggedity and talking about insecurity. So OKWE is not that calm. You have to bear that in mind. OKWE is not that calm. It's not that calm. It has a little touch of Cable Point, or should I say Onitsha, but Onitsha is very, very more high. When it comes to ruggedity, Onitsha is high to compare to OKWE. But if you are such person that loves cool and calm area, it's not everywhere that you can stay in OKWE. There are some certain places you have to stay. So this is all you have to know about OKWE for now. So going further, if you're talking about electricity in OKWE do have electricity, but not as constant as as you may think. So OKWE do have electricity. At least if their light is not having any problem, they do have up to 8 hours or lesser electricity in a day. But before OKWE has light, OKWE electricity is a top notch. But recently everything has dropped. They are lacking electricity. So it's not, if you are looking for a constant electricity, OKWE is not the best option for you to move in. So like I said earlier, talking about security, OKWE is not that secured. Some bad niggas are in OKWE. It's not where you go to and and feel relaxed that way. There's some certain area that as a newcomer you don't even attempt to go there. It's talking about is it OKWE secondary school side or whatever they call it. That area is somehow bad to visit, especially during the night hour. So if we talk about the house rent in OKWE, like I said, the area is still very affordable. I'll be giving you just a tip of how the house rent in this location looks like. So here we visited OKWE. We accessed OKWE from Oduke, then head over to OKWE markets. From OKWE market we visited OKWE primary school. From OKWE primary school we visited police police posts, close to police post area, and the rest of them. So but all these things, all the OKWE, I couldn't capture all the OKWE because it's too big for me to capture in a day. So I still wanted to visit a OKWE hospital, but I couldn't. I just get to the road that leads to the hospital, and time is against us, so we have to turn back. So we are close to OKWE hospital, but we couldn't reach there. So if you plan on getting a more cheaper apartment, you can check out OKWE. It's nice. It's not that bad to stay in OKWE. It's not that bad, don't get me wrong. There are some certain cool area you can find in OKWE, a very cool and calm area you can find in OKWE. If you ask, they will show you. So but there are some certain places you don't go, but all you have to do is, if you are the type that keeps late at night, I will advise you don't move in. Just find a better place to stay, don't move in. So that is it for now. So talking about the house rent in OKWE, the house rent in OKWE ranges from, you can see just a room apartment from maybe from 150 and above, a 2-room and parlor for maybe around 500, 600, 700. You can see a room and parlor for like 450, 400, 350, within that range. Is OKWE recommendable for you to visit or stay? For visiting, it's okay. You can go and visit. Like I'm making my video, nobody has attacked me. It's calm in the afternoon, but a little bit rugged in the evening. So that's why I say if you are the type that keeps late at night, don't stay in OKWE for now unless you know about the area very well. So talking about if it is recommendable for you to move in, if you know your ways around the place, you have no problem, and there are still some calm area. All you have to do before you move in, just try and ask people questions, to know the better locations to move in. But all I can tell you that you can still get a very much affordable apartment in OKWE, ranging from one room, just one bedroom sitter, for 150 to 200 or so. You can get a room and parlor for just from 350, 450 and above. You can still get 2 room and parlor for 500, 600, depends. Just all you need to do is just ask question, just check out for the best. So, but I will not tell you that OKWE is not recommendable. It's recommendable, because it's the only place I will not recommend for you as a newcomer in Asaba Delta State is Cable Point. Don't even try moving there if you're a newcomer. But OKWE is recommendable somehow. All you need to do is just ask question like I told you. So guys, this is where I'll be ending this video for now. If you have any questions to ask us, just kindly drop them via our comment sections. And if you wish to contact us via our WhatsApp, you can check our bio. Our WhatsApp number is over there. So guys, don't forget to sub to our channel, kindly share so that others who wish to see this kind of video can also see and watch. So, and don't forget to click on our thumb up button, click on the notification bell to get notified each time we publish videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day, guys.